This is something probably a lot of you are already used to, and I'm not. I have to do a veterinarian visit today for my dog with our veterinarian, and I'm testing the camera and where to put it and all of that stuff. But I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how to wear a surgical style face mask. Now, I'm trying to get comfortable here because I'm kind of on the floor. This mask is actually very comfortable. This is the green one I was just talking about. I've got fabric ties on here. I'm actually, let's see if this works. I'm trying to figure out whether or not kids will wear this and whether I should make them for the town. If I were 16 or 14 or 13, I don't know, it's a lot. You know, it's a fashion statement. Breathing is easier, but it's similar to the fitted mask. This has one main pleat across here. It does keep it a little bit tighter and closer to the ears. One person I know can't wear elastic, so they were wondering, they're elderly, how are they going to continue keep tying and get their arms up and arthritis and all of that. This is how you do it. So I've got it tied behind my neck, tied on top of my head, and instead of pulling your mask down and wearing it under your chin, you simply go like this and pull it down and wear it on your chest, and then when you bump into somebody and need to have it back on again, you just pull it up. I think it works very well. I think whether you use crocheted or some kind of yarn tie or whether you use a fabric tie, this is actually more like, I feel, when I make a quilt, this is my 40-year-old quilt behind me. When I make a quilt, I want the stitches to be in there in a way where they're going to last forever. This mask doesn't have elastic that's going to wear out. The crochet yarn I've been using, I don't think is going to wear out. If you use fabric, this, I feel I could wash and wash and wash in hot water in a machine and it wouldn't fall apart. I think this is where I'm going for masks. And anybody with arthritis can ask someone to tie it for them once, and then you could toss it in the washer like this. You wouldn't ever have to untie it unless whatever you're using is going to shrink. So I think it works. When I figured out the pricing, if I get 9 adult masks with the ties out of 2 yards of muslin, I figured out it's actually, I don't know, like 60 cents, 70 cents a mask out of $8.99 a yard fabric. It's actually $1.99 a mask. But this will work. And that's how you wear one.